Hi everyone, welcome to Factory Excel. Today we're going to learn 3 Excel functions. Index, match and XMATCH is a lookup/reference functions that can help you find a certain value in a range of cells. On the other hand, we show the index match or XMATCH combination, which is more flexible and has many awesome features that make it superior to VLOOKUP in many respects. We use index when you know, or can calculate, the position of an element in a range, and you want to get the actual value of that element. There are 2 ways to use the index function. If you want to return the value of a specified cell or array of cells, see array form. If you want to return a reference to specified cells, see reference form. This video we only focus on array form. Next, the match function in Excel searches for a specified value in a range of cells and returns the relative position of that value. The syntax as below. The XMATCH function searches for a specified item in an array or range of cells, and then returns the item's relative position. Look up both in horizontal and vertical arrays. The syntax is below. However, the XMATCH function is only available in Excel for Microsoft 365 and Excel 2021. In Excel 2019, Excel 2016, and earlier versions, this function is not supported. Let we see the difference between this function, and we will start from the individual function and up level to combine the function. We have the sample of table tabulated with monthly sales number. First, we working by separate the index and match function. The index function used to retrieve a value from a specific location within a range of cells. It allows you to select a value based on its row and column number within the specified range. The match function in Excel is used to find the relative position of a specified value within a range. The XMATCH function is used for searching a specified value in a range and returning its relative position. It's a more powerful and flexible alternative to the traditional match function. XMATCH introduces the search_mode argument, allowing you to perform wildcard searches, which is not available in the traditional match function. Index function, the first parameter is the array, the range selected from B3 to D8. We use absolute references instead of relative references, and the array argument makes it easier to copy the formula to other cells. Alternatively, you can convert a range to a table, Ctrl+T, and refer to it by the table name. In this example, we select the ROM number 2 and column 3 from the range of B2 to D8. The result returns us the seat from the department, which are in the position of row 2 and column 3. Next, we check the match function. Remembered, the match function are return the position in a single range. The first parameter is the lookup value from C13, which is motorcycle frame. Second parameter is lookup array, which is the range from the single column cover from the absolute C3 to C8. The third parameter is the match type. We can either put 0 or false, which is exact match the value from the C13 from the range of C3 to C8. The result from this match function is at the position of number 3. After you understand the individual working of index and match functions, Now we learn how these two functions work together. For your quick understanding, index look up the value from row and column, while match provide the value of the row and column. Let's see how it works. In this sample, C16 are the value to look up in the match function, and we use match function to find the row number for a 1002. The result for a 1002 is row number 3, and the index column number is 2. Hence, we got the index syntax. The parameter cover the range from B3 to D8, row number is 3 and column number is 2. So we get the result is motorcycle frame. Let we work out with different sample. As many VLOOKUP user know, VLOOKUP cannot look to its left. Now we try out this by using index and match function together to look up the value to the left. As you can see, we use match function inside the index function to find the row number for index function. And match function return the position of the lookup value. The XMATCH function is same as match but more flexible and robust. It can look up both in vertical and horizontal arrays, search first to last or last to first, find exact, approximate and partial matches, and use a faster binary search algorithm. The first sample for XMATCH is omitted the match mode and search mode for exact match lookup. This sample are same as match function, which are without the match type in match function for exact match value. The result return the front fork is at the 4th position from the selected range. The next sample, we will have search mode with 1, which is exact match of next larger item. The lookup value is incomplete word, will with the first alphabet of R, the function parameter search mode is 1. The result return is at position number 2, because there are wheel assembly and wheel rim, which is at the position of number 2. The next sample for XMATCH we use have the lookup value of asterisk sign with wildcard expression. The words start from department column with BR is brake system and is at the position of number 5. The argument of the match mode we choose 2, wildcard character match. The search mode we can omit it. The next sample is we have the match mode of 0 exact match and the search mode is -1, to search from last to first. Normally we should sorting the range, however for this case, after sorting the result also at number 5th position. The next sample we will include index with XMATCH function. Basically both match and XMATCH together with index function are not much different. Index with XMATCH function are return the result from the lookup value. lookup value are a 1002, and the XMATCH function return the result of the row position of 3, and the index function, column is number 2 which is at name column. The result return is motorcycle frame, which is at the position of row number 3 and column number 2. Below sample, we going to look up the value for index function, the row and column number together with 2XMATCH function. In this sample, we going to look up the value for the total sales number for the crankshaft in the February month. The index function look up the data from the monthly sales range from E3 to G8. The first XMATCH, looking for the name, crankshaft. The second XMATCH looking for the month of February. Since we look up the exact match, hence we omitted the match mode and search mode. the below sample, also same as above, the index function together with two XMATCH functions. Please check the below comments to download the Excel file. The Excel file contains more sample. Please check the tab sample too.